back to Dad Riffs, and today we're going to learn the Rain Song by Led Zeppelin. Alright, so you're going to tune everything down a step. G string stays the same, B string goes up a half step to a C, and this one goes down as well. Alright, so you're going to take these two fingers and you're going to put them on the 7th fret. Middle finger on the D, that one's the B, and you're going to do an upstroke. You're going to mute this top one though, and hey, so slide it down a half step. And then you're going to slide it down a half step. Except this time you're going to use these two fingers and put your middle finger right there, because you're going to want your pointer finger free. And then you put your pointer finger right here, take your pinky off, and then your pointer finger is going to go from there to there while you're doing the chord. And then you're going to bar right here, which is the 3rd fret, and you're going to scoot that bar down to the 2nd fret. And you're going to hit the open A string twice, even though it's not an A anymore. We're just going to call it an A. And then all 3 strings at the same time, which would be the A, the D, the G. And you're going to throw your ring finger right there. It goes. A's. You're going to take that same shape you did on the 7th fret in the very beginning and go all the way up to the 11th fret, 9th fret, 12th fret, 11th, 4th, and then back up to the 9th, and you're going to put your pointer finger on. So it sounds like that. And then you're going to take this staircase shape, and you're going to slide it down with that open A string. And then once you slide it down, do like a minor shape. Kind of like an A minor, but all the way down here. And then you're going to go right here. So you walk that down. And then middle finger on the 5th fret of the A string.